how to play the A major scale on the octave mandolin. So start with your first finger on the G string, second fret, that's A. Third finger on the fourth fret, G string, is a B. Fourth finger on the sixth fret is a C sharp. Open D. First finger on the second fret, D string, is an E. Third finger on the fourth fret, D string, is an F sharp. Fourth finger on the sixth fret, D string, is a G sharp. And then open A. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask anytime. All the links to my websites are below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video.